Hi guys, well the Confederations Cup is over, Parabéns Brasil, and now I've been invited to come to Sao Paulo, which we just arrived right now, to speak at a conference about the World Cup. So I will be the gringo representative at this conference, and we're going to go check out the stadium and start our journey through to the World Cup. Imagine the Copa.
Brazil.
Yeah. There is no English in the subways. Directions to the Corinthians Stadium.
As pessoas mais abertas do que na Rússia. Eu me sinto bem aqui.
Your work is different for us. Always with this little camera and the other.
Yeah, we have a couple nice cameras, but a little smaller than this one, and a couple cannons. But the GoPro is more intimate inside the crowd, and in the reactions, the real sound of the fans.
And I think when you do some work here, it's better for us because you have a different view.
Sound rolling, camera rolling, camera rolling.
There you go.
Roll that camera so it can be in sync too.
Oh, this camera's rolling too.
Okay.
How do I get inside here?
Pra sair? Tem
É,
saída não, aí
é.
a obra. Rapaz, você volta aqui, você volta, aí pega por lá, ó. Tem entrada por lá, você volta aqui, aí procura a mão por lá.
I can't find the entrance. I think he just told me to go back where I just came from. A donkey!
Você vai por aqui, mas é o seguinte, você vai aqui na primeira rua, vai sair ali de novo, ali você tem para você chegar por lá. É mais difícil, mas vai também.
Still looking. Probably find another donkey before I find the entrance to the stadium.
Fechado do lado, só tem acesso do lado de fora, não tem acesso do lado de dentro.
I feel like climbing over the fence.
I've been coming to Brazil and I learned a lot about Brazil, and even within the 3 years I started to come to Brazil, I see a lot of changes going into a very positive way. And besides that, from the base, Brazilian people are so nice.
Yeah. Like what you said
Right after World War II, our country was nothing. But after that, our country tried so hard to recruit the Tokyo Olympic Games. And after the Olympic Games, our country economic grew like this. And I feel the same vibe, the same wind, already blowing here in Brazil.
Where to now?
We are
É aqui que vocês
into
guardam
the
o pedra de
rainforest.
estimação de vocês?
A gente vai na luta de Ogum e Oxum.
Cool. Hey guys. GoPro. We need more cameras, GoPro. And that'll bring our journey to a close in Inuchi.
Okay. Thank you very much. Nice to meet
guys.
you.
Ciao for now.
Welcome to Brazil.
Thank you. Join us for the next 4 now. Park, we're going to meet Angelo.